Hi, welcome to Marcy's in the kitchen. I'm going to cook a sweet recipe today, and it called stew peas with pig's tail. What sweet and nice. So if you don't subscribe to my channel as yet, please to like, share and subscribe, and thank you very much. So this is what I'm going to use into my stew peas. I have a cup of flour here. I'm going to use to make some spinach, and I have some mixed spice right here, like your all-purpose seasoning, a small amount of salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and some mixed spice. I have a tin of red peas, a tin of coconut milk, and I have some chopped seeds over there, like my fresh scallion and garlic, onion, pimento seed, and some scotch bonnet pepper. So I have the pigtail is already cooking, and I'm going to, when it finished to be cooking this water, I'm going to strain it off and to be cook it again in fresh water, because pig's tail is very salt and you have to cook it more than one time because you can enjoy your stew peas and it don't salt. So the pigtail is already cooking, and I'm going to, when it finished to be cooking this water, I'm going to strain it off and to be cook it again in fresh water, because pig's tail is very salt and you have to cook it more than one time because you can enjoy your stew peas and it don't salt. So I'm going to show you. Remember I show you when it's cooking, and now I put it on in the fresh water for it to be cooked again. You can cook it for about, into the second water, you can cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes, and then you can remove it. Because you can cook with the first water, what I cook it into, for about 20 minutes to be cooked properly. I don't want your stew peas to cook good enough. So I remove it now, and I'm going to cook it for about 8 minutes in this water. So I finished cook for the 8 minutes, so it's time to remove the flame. So it's time to show you how to cook the stew peas now. So the pot is on. We're going to get in a small amount of water, about half cup of water. We're going to get in the peas inside of it. We're going to get in the coconut milk. We're going to get in the pig's tail. We're going to allow it to cook before we finish to put the rest of the season inside of it. And when you cook your stew peas this way, don't sick you, because the milk cook properly and the pig's tail cook properly. And those are the two things that will sick you if you don't cook properly. So I'm going to check on it and see if the peas is very soft. So even when the peas come into the tin, you have to allow the peas to be cooked more. You can see it is soft, but you can cook a little more. Make a look on it. So in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to remove the flame, and you can have it with white rice and fried plantain and your vegetable. Wow. And the gravy very thick. Nice. So it's time to remove my flames.